Hey Money Loves, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, today I am back with another wig review. Today this review is going to be a 3-week update on this Yolissa hair. This is a wig that I made myself. This hair is in 24 inches. So I have a 20-inch frontal and 3 bundles of 24. The curl pattern of this hair is really pretty. This is their water wave texture. I do have a tutorial up already of how I make my frontal wigs. I will be making a updated tutorial on how to make a wig coming soon, so you guys wait for that. Let's go ahead and get into the review. After about a week of wearing this hair consistently, the hair did start to tangle a little bit in the nape, so I had to just spray it with some water. So I used my spray bottle right here full of just water. I also used some Cantu detangler right here. It did not mat up, just tangles, so it's not unbearable. Either way, all you have to do is just run your fingers through it to get it out, but it does help to have water in a detangler. I did make this wig glueless, so this wig is not glued down. As y'all can see, I can just pull it up when I want to. Only thing I did was just put a little bit of Gorilla Snot gel over here on the side, and I just did a little sideburn right here. When it dries, it does look super natural, like it's my hair. Funny thing is, today, well this morning when I had this hair on, my boyfriend was like touching it and stuff. He was like, oh my gosh, it's heavy like real hair. And I was just like, because it is. This is real hair. For 24 inches, the bundles did come really full. I was actually left with about, I'll be right back, I'm gonna go get the piece of hair I have left. This is how much hair I have left, y'all. It is a good amount of hair that is left. So I pretty much use like 2.5 to or 2 3/4 of the bundles. Yeah, it's still pretty full to say I didn't use all of the bundles. But yeah, other than the tangling at the nape, also when I am styling or moisturizing the hair does shed. A lot of hair just like comes out. I'm gonna show y'all at the end of this video how I moisturize the hair or get it back to life. So when I style it, it sheds, and after a while it does start to tangle at the nape. But the hair is manageable, it's not high maintenance at all. I just probably style this hair like once a day just to freshen it up, and then the rest of the day it is just fine. But of course, if I plan on sleeping with the hair, I do detangle it before I go to bed. This is definitely one of my go-to wigs whenever I'm just running out somewhere or just need, you know, throw on something. This is the wig that I go to. I just slip it on and gel down over here, and then I'm good to go. I do love this hair also because I can put it back into a ponytail. But other than that, that's about it. You guys comment down below if you have any questions about this hair. All the details and discount codes for this hair will be listed down below, so you guys go check out yolissahair.com, and I'll see y'all in the next video.